Welcome to Trisandhya's kitchen. Anhoni ko honi kar de. In this today I am going to make chicken dosa. Veg chicken dosa. That is, on the other day I was telling you about how to make palak gosh with vegetarian meat. Today with vegetarian chicken, how we should be doing chicken dosa I will tell you. Ingredients what are needed for that I will show you right now. Needed for chicken dosa. First, dosa batter. Dosa batter should not be very thin nor it should be very thick. It should be like this, in this consistency. We want haldi powder, salt, red chili powder, curry leaves, coriander leaves, onion cut into small pieces, tomato cut into small pieces, 3 eggs, and vegetarian chicken minced into small pieces. And I have oil, of course, and I have a paste made here. This paste is made of amchur powder, coriander powder, dhania powder, jeera powder. I have put some oil and mixed it. Now let's start doing the filling. Now we will make the filling for chicken dosa. I will add oil, 2 teaspoons of oil, let the oil get heated a little. We'll add our curry leaves, onions, let the onion become somewhat, let us fry it, because it is a stuffing. We are not going to cook it any further. It should be fried very well. We are frying our onions. It has become somewhat light golden in color. Now we will add our tomatoes, finely chopped tomatoes, haldi powder, red chili powder, salt, of course. Today I am making this restaurant style chicken dosa recipe. How you get chicken dosa in 5-star restaurants and many of the famous restaurants, same type I am doing this. If you follow it properly and do the same way, you can get the same taste. Now we are going to add our chicken pieces, that is vegetarian chicken pieces, and also the paste I have made out of coriander, jeera, amchur, let's give it a proper mix. If you like my chicken dosa, please subscribe it, like and share it, so that you can get notification of the new vegetarian chicken and vegetarian meat recipes I am going to do in non-vegetarian style. You will get a unique taste every day. Add little water so that our vegetarian chicken, it's not like ordinary chicken. Ordinary chicken has to be boiled first and then we can make it. It takes time to cook, but our vegetarian chicken is not like that. It gets soft within minutes. So adding a little bit water will help us not only for make the chicken tender, but also while we are going to keep it as a stuffing, it will be easy for us. So we will leave it for 2 minutes till it is over. Now I will add coriander leaves. Everything is added. Now just I will put the lid and simmer it for 2 minutes. I will open the lid and see. Yes, it's over. We will off the stove and remove it in a bowl. This is our vegetarian chicken filling. Now I will start doing dosa. We will see how we are going to make the dosa now. Let's make dosa. Take a 2 ladleful of dosa batter and move in round circles. But the thing is, this dosa should be somewhat thicker, not very thin. And now I am breaking the egg over it. This egg breaker I have bought from Amazon. It's very, very useful. You need not touch the egg with your hand. It's very, very nice. You can also buy this egg breaker from Amazon. Now after pouring the egg, just you spread it all over the dosha. Now we have to put some oil for the dosa to become crisp. Add some oil. Because we have put the egg, it will take some time for it to make. We should close it and make it. Now we will flip our dosa. One side it is over, we have flipped it. The added eggs, that also should cook. So we have flipped the dosa. Now when we have flipped the dosa, make it on a slow fire. Now we will flip it over again. We should not keep it for a long time, otherwise our eggs will get burnt. Now I am going to keep the filling. Filling you keep in such a way, just half side and flip it. Let it be on the tawa for some 15 to 20 seconds. If you wish, if you are going to make it for your children, or if you are going to make it for yourself but on a cheat day, you can even add cheese slice to it and have it with cheese slice. It will taste heavenly. Now I am serving this dosa along with peanut chutney, coconut and peanut chutney. I have made it. This dosa and coconut peanut chutney are a very good combination. If you like this video, please share, like and subscribe, and also in the comment box you can give me what more dishes you want to see in vegetarian meat or vegetarian chicken which is based on non-vegetarian food.